Welcome to chapter 159 of our weekly series QA Without a Break. Each week I share different stories and experiences from the world of testing. Today's short episode is a warm recommendation for a test management tool called Testuff. Often testing groups are stuck using tools like X-Ray, MTM, and others that are well known and common selection in the industry. Testuff, however, is my recommendation. It integrates with Jira, including a unique Jira app which data is visible within Jira issues. It also integrates with many other platforms, brings much needed organization, and no less important, is a fairly priced compared to others I've seen. Technologically, it offers many features, practically anything you're looking for in a test management solution. There is an option to exporting test results to Excel, creating detailed reports, special dashboards. It keeps everything organized with clear logs of team actions and more. Over the years, I've recommended it to my students and colleagues, and I found that it's very intuitive, much easier to grasp than other tools. I highly recommended you to check it out for managing your tests. Good luck and happy testing, and as always, may you'll never walk alone.